Good things come in Warby Parker glasses. Yes, in the glasses. You see, these lenses are scratch-resistant, anti-reflective, and UV protective.
What's going on, you guys? My name is Zane. Welcome back to the IPO Nerd, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, we're going to look at the Warby Parker IPO. Now, Warby Parker is a glass or eyeglass maker, right? They also make some contact lenses, but it's like about 3% of their sales, but they mostly concentrate on eyeglasses. We're going to check that out. They are going to IPO next Wednesday, so stay tuned because I got a video that's going to show you what's so special about their glasses. We're going to go over an article from CNBC. We're going to check out their S1 and their financials to, help you decide if you should buy or pass. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, don't forget that the link to the merch and the Patreon is down in the description. Alright, so let's check this out real quick. Let me move the mic. Alright. Warby Parker, ticker symbol WRBY. They're going to sell 77.7 million shares at a price of $24.53 per share. Alright, so just $24 per share, just right above it. And it's going to happen on 9/29/2021, which is next Wednesday, guys. So make sure you mark your calendars. Now, I don't know if you ever been to a store, a Warby Parker store, but they do have a nice online presence where you can order eyeglasses and have them sent to you. You try them out, and if you don't like them, you can return them and so forth. So, great company. Let's dive a little bit more into it. According to CNBC, eyeglass retailer Warby Parker in IPO reveals that rising sales, but widening losses. This is concerning, right? Let's keep scrolling down to see why is that. Eyeglass brand Warby Parker has lost money or broken even for over each of the past 3 fiscal years. The retailer is best known for selling lower-priced, fashion-forward prescription glasses, is preparing to debut on Wall Street. Its net loss was $22.9 million in 2018 and $55.9 million in 2020. It broke even in 2019. Warby Parker said it continued to lose money in recent months. It lost $7.3 million in the 6 months ended in June 30, 2021. As of today, the company had accumulated a deficit of $356 million, guys. This is quite a deficit. The company has grown to more than 145 stores, according to the filing. Nearly all of Warby Parker's revenue, 95% in fiscal year ended in December 31st, comes from the sales of glasses. Only 2% comes from the sale of contacts, as I was mentioning before during the intro. In the filing, the company said that it has unique advantages over competitors. Among them, it said that it had generated a fan following. I guess they have their own loyal fans, or fans that have high levels of brand loyalty, which is good. On average, it said customers acquired between 2015 and 2019 had approximately 50% sales retention rate, which is good. About half of their customers continue to come back, right, to them to get their next pair of eyeglasses. It raised $120 million in the most recent round of funding. This gave the company a valuation of $3 billion. Let's look at a video from the Warby Parker YouTube channel to see what is so special about these eyeglasses.
Good things come in Warby Parker glasses. Yes, in the glasses. You see, these lenses are scratch-resistant, anti-reflective, and UV protective. So are these lenses. And these. These too. In fact, all of our lenses come that way, for free. And in these glasses, blue light filtering lenses. Clear, huh? You can add them to any frame for just $50. So that's the good stuff. Try our lenses risk-free for 30 days or try 5 pairs for free at warbyparker.com.
All right, so we're looking at UV-resistant, anti-glare eyeglasses. So it sounds good. And you can try them out for 30 days. You can try 5 pairs for 30 days. And if you don't like it, you can just send them right back. So here's their website. And you can shop for men or you can shop for women. Let's check out the man glasses. Pretty cool. Percy, Chase, Elias, Felix, Haskell, Durant, and some other types of frames, right? Pretty nice. So overall, just a great selection. Like I said, a lot of the customers have high levels of brand loyalty, which is good. This is pretty cool right here. You can turn on available for home try on, and it's only going to show you the pairs that are available for you to try at home, and then find your perfect frames. You answer a few questions, you take a quiz, and we'll go from there. So pretty cool. Narrow face, medium face, and all that good stuff. So regular, rectangular, and you just pick the kind of eyeglasses that I want to keep saying sunglasses, eyeglasses that you want to wear. So two-tone, neutral, Pretty cool. Like I said, very user-friendly website. Check it out on your own. All right, so here's the latest S1. Was filed on August 24, 2021. Warby Parker Inc. Let's scroll down to see if we can find the consolidated financial data, which is very important. Nice to see you. Our mission at Warby Parker is to inspire and impact the world with vision, purpose, and style without charging a premium for it. So the prices are very affordable as well. All right, so here we are on the table of contents, summary of consolidated financial data. Let's scroll down and see what we can find. All right, so we're going to be looking at the 6 months ended of June 30, 2021, which is right here on the corner, right-hand corner. Hopefully I'm not on the way. Let's see. There we go. All right, so we're looking at a net revenue of $270.5 million. And this is unaudited, of course. The net income, it was negative $7.2 million. Okay, so the company is not profitable, which is good, good reason to IPO. Now, just because the company is not profitable, guys, doesn't mean that it's not a good investment. Okay, most of these companies are growing. A lot of these companies are not profitable, and that's the reason why they need a little influx of cash to open new locations and to enhance operations and hire some more employees. But that doesn't mean that the company is not a good investment. Okay. All right, so let's look at the cash and cash equivalents. They had right here, we're looking at $260 million. So it's not too bad. Total assets, they had $411.6 million in assets, and total liabilities, we're looking at $126 million. Not bad. So I do like that. They do have a lot more assets and liabilities, and they have some nice cash in hand. So I do like to see that. All right, so this is kind of important right here. We're looking at the active customers in millions, right? You can see right here throughout the years in 2017, 2018, 2019, they had about 1.2, 1.4. They keep growing, 1.8 million customers. Right now, they're sitting at 2.08 million customers. But the year-over-year change, you can see that 28%, 26%. It used to be on the high 20s back, before 2019, and then it dramatically decreased in the quarters of 2020. This might have to do with the pandemic. We're not sure, but they have increased dramatically in 2021, over 20% right here. So they continue to acquire active customers, which is good for the company. As well as they keep opening stores every single year, up to 145 stores right now in 2021. And we do know that they have a nice customer retention rate of 58% back in 2021. Their customer acquisition cost was about $40 per customer. So they spend about $40 in advertising or word of mouth or whatever type of way that they acquire customer online and all that to get one customer. Now, if a pair of glasses is about $100 or $200, $40 is not that much. And their net loss, even though they do have a net loss, they've decreased that net loss dramatically. Back in 2020, they had $55.9 million. They went down to $10 million, and now it's even down to $7.2 million. So even though they are not profitable, they are decreasing that profitability and margin gap. And I like to see that. All right, guys, so here's the deal with Warby Parker. I like the company. I like that they have a nice customer acquisition cost. They have a nice customer retention rate. I do like that the company makes a lot of money, and they've been decreasing that net loss every single year. This IPO is really going to help the company jump into those positive numbers that we want to see as a profitable company with this IPO. So I'm gonna have to give this one a big thumbs up, guys. But then again, that's up. It's just my opinion, right? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not investing in financial advice. So make sure you do your own research and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm gonna pass on this one because I don't want to be in the retail sector of the market. But I think it's a good company. The biggest threat that Warby Parker is facing right now is so many people getting that LASIK surgery. It's kind of like a diminishing returns every single year because every single year more and more people, right, go to the eye doctor and get the eye treatment, and they get the LASIK surgery. So they no longer require eyeglasses. So that's their biggest threat in my opinion. But what I see, I like, so I'm gonna have to give this one a big thumbs up. But hey, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you ever been to a Warby Parker store, or have you ever shopped online with Warby Parker? That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rick the mind.
I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, y'all. I think you'll go your house, your money, leave you broke, son.